Today we are with the Sony SRS XB13, and in this video we are going to unbox the speakers and also tell you about the giveaways. For giveaway you have to see the video till last, but first we will unbox the device and see what are inside it. So the yellow card is basically your warranty card. In that, this one is your setup guide, and there is also a referential guide also. Now talking about the speaker, this is the black speaker. It looks pretty good and it looks pretty much similar like SRS XB10, which I have used, and SRS XB12. It has a power button, Bluetooth button. It also comes with the play and pause button, volume up and down, and also have the Type-C charging. So I will show you that also. The best part is that it supports Type-C charging. There is a small cable in Type-C cable inside the box. And also you can hang these speakers on your backpack. You can also take them, you can hang them, hook them anywhere you want. It is very easy to pair. You can pair them left and right. You can only combo two, only left and right together, and it is very easy to pair. If you talk about the weight, it weighs around 253 gram. It comes with the Bluetooth 5 support and it has a fast pairing. So here you have seen I have just pressed the power button on and the Bluetooth button for some time. It will just pair it. It is very easy to pair. There is nothing lag in that. This will come in 6 colors and it includes pink, yellow, light blue, taupe, and the black and the blue color, which I am holding. Now if we talk about the pairing with the smartphone, it is very easy. Here you can see I just seen the SRS XB13. This is the model number. You just have to press that. If we talk about the playback, it plays around 16 hours, and from charging from 0 to 100 it takes around 4 hours 30 minutes. So right now I will play the music and you can check the audio. Spend an hour with my memories, and then I realize it's not all black and white, like I was colorblind but mentally, yeah. Now my days are brighter, just no longer feeling tired. Don't wear my PJs every day. These are the audio quality, and you can see how the speakers were blasting. This has the extra bass, so definitely the extra bass will work for you guys. And you can see you can change the audio track and even the volume simultaneously with both the speakers. Anyone can be used as the master one. If we talk about this, it comes with the extra bass. It has a IP67 rating, which I will definitely show you. If we talk about some more features of the device, it has a 16-hour long battery. It comes with the Type-C charging. It has a multi-way strap. It has a sound diffusion processor, which gives the rich and spacious sound. It can be hands-free function and also can trigger the voice assistant. It can be stereo paired. And the stereo audio quality we have seen, it is definitely very good. Now I will show you how it charges and where the indicator will be shown. So right now I put in the charging mode, and here you can see the power button. There is the charging mode shown. So this is how it will go to the charging mode and you can charge this. Very easy. There is nothing much more to that. If we talk about the IP67 rating, here you can see it is a water and the dust proof. You can definitely use them in water or the little bit raindrops, so the splashes can be definitely handled by these speakers, so not a big problem for that. If you talk about the size, here you can see I'm just comparing it with iPhone 11 Pro. The size you can see the 11 Pro is 5.68 inch, and here it is the size for the SRS XB13. It is not too big, it is very small and compact in size, and it is definitely loud. If we come to the price point, it priced around 4,990. It will be available through the Sony official website and maybe on the Flipkart or Amazon later on. I'm still not sure, but you will definitely get that on the Sony stores offline and online. And you can also win this one of the speakers by following us on our Twitter and Instagram page, which the handles are given below. It is very easy, just follow and also see the description. In the description section I have mentioned each and everything that how you can win one of these speakers. So this is all about the Sony SRS XB13 wireless speaker. This is Vivin signing off. Please like the video, share the video, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button below for us.